Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So today I wanted to add a little bit more color in the engine compartment. So I picked up these wire looms here. I got the red because when I put the engine cover on, it looked a little out of place, just being the only thing that's red in there. And then I saw a picture of one of the cords like this on Facebook. Actually owned by Ray Lopez, so big shout out to him. And he cleaned his engine compartment pretty nice, has the engine cover on it, and then these red wire looms, and it looked really sharp. I liked it, so big shout out to you, Ray Lopez, for the idea. It just really brings it together, adds more red in here, and you can just go over the existing wire looms that you have in there. So I got the 3/8 inch right here for the smaller ones, and then I got the 3/4 here. So very easy stuff to work with if you guys haven't used it. It has the split in it. You just cut it to size and throw it on there. Very easy. And these are the flame retardant ones. So, and they are designed for engine compartments, these ones. So very basic. I think I spent, this one was like $3 and this was I think $6 on Amazon. So under 10 bucks, guys. And they have different colors. I was thinking about doing a gray to match the paint, but I think the red will look really good. So if you guys want to pick that up, I'll put a link where I bought these, but like I said, there's so many different colors you can go with. Just to customize it, it's very simple, under $10. So I'll go ahead and, I'm not gonna really show the install, it's kind of straightforward. Like I said, you can wrap whatever you want to wrap. I'm just personally gonna stay away from the block, anything that gets really hot, and just kind of go where the existing wire looms already are. Okay, so here's how it looked before, you know, very basic, without the engine cover on. Kind of incomplete in my eyes. And here's how it looks now. And here's what it looks like with the red wire looms put in. So not bad at all, especially for the money. Just some extra color, that's all it is. I feel like this ties in the red engine cover here a little bit. Because before it was just straight, the red on the engine cover, and that was it. Now I feel like it adds a little bit of color. A lot of people are getting like this in red. You know, they have a battery tie down right here you can get, you know, and then like a new oil cap too. I might get that, I'm not sure. This is just a nice cheap mod. Like I said, you can do different colors. You know, I might, if I get tired of this, I might switch all this kind of stuff to have a nice gray. That would flow, I think, good with this. But I don't know, I like how it looks. It ties the engine cover in. And like I said, for under $10, you can't go wrong with it. So again, nothing major here, just something simple, cheap mod, add some color, doesn't really do anything else. And like I said, you can wrap whatever you want. I just kind of stayed away from like the main part of the engine here for obvious reasons. Kind of wrapped around the edge. Then the wire loom that goes into the firewall, did that one. Definitely the battery cable, you know, and just a little bit over here. So again, shout out to Ray Lopez for the idea. Never even thought about doing that, and it just really, like I said, ties it together, and it's cheap. So if you guys are looking for something just to personalize it, you can definitely do that and color match things and whatever else you want to do. Hope everyone's doing good today. I'll have another mod video coming pretty shortly here. So hope everyone's doing good. Again, any questions, comments, leave them below. If you guys haven't, please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And give feedback too, I like it, so I can get ideas of what to do in the next video. Again, hope everyone has a great weekend coming up. Thanks again.